Fears of a volcanic eruption on the Indonesian island of Bali have been triggered by a large earthquake nearby. A 5.7 magnitude tremor was detected in the Java Sea late on Wednesday, the U.S. Geological Survey said, at a depth of 589 kilometers. Officials had already widened an evacuation zone around the 000m-high Mount volcano earlier in the week, according to reports. Mexico earthquake, many die in school collapse. Seismic activity around the mountain increased dramatically on Monday, forcing authorities to put residents on high alert and to evacuate those within 7.5 kilometers of the volcano, ABC reported. Mount is a popular hiking destination for tourists. It last erupted more than 50 years ago, killing at least 1,000 people. This is a natural disaster. We cannot avoid it, we can't stop it exploding, but we can reduce the number of victims and losses. We are prepared. I believe we can handle everything, Governor Mangku Pastika told the site. Reuse content.